Today we're diving into the pop-up greenhouse cover from porayhut, designed to be your go-to solution for protecting delicate plants in colder months or jump-starting your gardening early in the season. This compact greenhouse boasts a pop-up design that makes setup a breeze, with sturdy steel hoops and a UV 50+ PVC cover, ensuring durability and weather resistance. At dimensions of 27.6 inches by 27.6 inches by 31.5 inches when fully deployed, it offers ample space while remaining portable and easy to store when not in use. One standout feature is the transparent window, allowing you to monitor your plant's growth without disturbing their environment, though ventilation is also simple thanks to its zippered openings. The greenhouse effectively creates a warm, insulated environment that shields plants from frost and harsh weather, yet allows essential air, moisture, and sunlight through. This balance is crucial for optimal growing conditions, whether you're nurturing seedlings or protecting more established plants. Durability meets convenience with the porayhut greenhouse. Its lightweight yet robust construction ensures longevity, while the foldable design makes storage effortless. Setup involves anchoring it with ground nails, securing it against wind, and ensuring stability. The overall design, coupled with its functionality, makes it ideal for both beginners looking to extend their growing season and seasoned gardeners needing a reliable temporary shelter for plants. That if you're considering adding a mini greenhouse to your gardening arsenal, porayhut's pop-up greenhouse cover offers a compelling blend of affordability, functionality, and durability. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into its performance and see how it stands up to real-world gardening challenges.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.